Please use subtitle translation to select desired language. Cinnamon can enhance the health benefits of various foods, creating synergistic effects that promote overall well-being. Here are some healthy foods to combine with cinnamon. 1. Apples, rich in fiber and antioxidants. Cinnamon enhances the flavor and may help regulate blood sugar levels, making it a great addition to apple slices or applesauce. 2. Oats, high in soluble fiber, which supports heart health. Adding cinnamon to oatmeal can help improve blood sugar control and increase antioxidant activity. 3. Yogurt, contains probiotics that support gut health. Cinnamon can enhance the flavor and potentially improve digestion and gut health when mixed into yogurt. 4. Bananas, a good source of potassium and vitamins. Cinnamon can complement the natural sweetness of bananas while providing additional anti-inflammatory benefits. 5. Nut butters, packed with healthy fats and protein. Mixing cinnamon into nut butter enhances flavor and helps stabilize blood sugar levels when spread on whole grain bread. 6. Sweet potatoes, rich in vitamins A and C and fiber. Cinnamon adds warmth and sweetness, complementing the nutritional benefits and boosting antioxidant levels. 7. Chia seeds, high in omega-3 fatty acids and fiber. Mixing cinnamon into chia seed pudding can enhance flavor and promote heart health. 8. Leafy greens, high in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Adding a pinch of cinnamon to salads or smoothies can improve the taste while enhancing the nutrient absorption of the greens. 9. Turmeric, contains curcumin, which has anti-inflammatory properties. Combining cinnamon and turmeric can create an anti-inflammatory blend, whether in smoothies, teas, or golden milk. 10. Berries, high in antioxidants and vitamins. Adding cinnamon to berry smoothies or yogurt can enhance antioxidant effects and support heart health. 11. Carrots, rich in beta-carotene and fiber. Roasting carrots with cinnamon can enhance their natural sweetness and add anti-inflammatory benefits. 12. Quinoa, a complete protein and high in fiber. Adding cinnamon to quinoa dishes can improve flavor and provide additional nutrients. 13. Coconut milk, contains healthy fats and is a dairy alternative. Adding cinnamon to coconut milk in smoothies or curries enhances flavor and nutrition. 14. Green tea, rich in antioxidants and metabolism-boosting properties. Adding a sprinkle of cinnamon to green tea can enhance its antioxidant effects and improve taste. 15. Honey, has antimicrobial properties and can soothe sore throats. Mixing cinnamon with honey can create a natural remedy for colds and coughs while providing both flavor and health benefits. 16. Pineapple, rich in vitamin C and bromelain, which aids digestion. Adding cinnamon to pineapple can enhance its flavor while providing anti-inflammatory benefits. 17. Flax seeds, high in omega-3 fatty acids and fiber. Mixing cinnamon with ground flax seeds in smoothies or oatmeal can boost nutritional content. 18. Beets, high in antioxidants, which support heart health. Roasting or juicing beets with cinnamon can enhance their sweetness and nutritional profile. 19. Rice, brown or wild, high in fiber and nutrients compared to white rice. Adding cinnamon to cooked rice can improve flavor and helps regulate blood sugar levels. 20. Eggs, a great source of protein and healthy fats. Adding a sprinkle of cinnamon to scrambled eggs or omelets can create a unique flavor while providing additional nutrients. 21. Legumes, beans and lentils, high in protein and fiber, which support digestive health. Incorporating cinnamon into bean dishes can enhance flavor and helps manage blood sugar levels. 22. Avocado, rich in healthy fats, fiber, and potassium. Mixing cinnamon into smoothies containing avocado can boost flavor and nutrient absorption. 23. Cacao or dark chocolate, contains antioxidants and can improve heart health. Combining cinnamon with dark chocolate can enhance the flavor while providing additional health benefits. 24. Ginger, known for its anti-inflammatory and digestive benefits. Mixing cinnamon with ginger in teas or smoothies can create a powerful anti-inflammatory drink. 25. Mango, packed with vitamins A and C and fiber. Adding cinnamon to mango smoothies or salads can boost flavor and nutrition. 26. Pumpkin, high in fiber and vitamins A and C. Cinnamon pairs perfectly with pumpkin in pies, smoothies, or soups for added flavor and health benefits. Here are some delicious recipes that incorporate cinnamon with the healthy food combinations mentioned. 1. Cinnamon apple oatmeal. Ingredients: 1 cup rolled oats, 2 cups water or milk, dairy or non-dairy. 1 apple, diced 1 teaspoon cinnamon, 1 tablespoon honey or maple syrup, optional. Nuts or seeds for topping, optional. 2. Cinnamon yogurt parfait. Ingredients: 1 cup plain yogurt, Greek or regular, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, 1 tablespoon honey, agave syrup, 1/2 cup mixed berries, 1/4 cup granola. 3. Cinnamon banana smoothie. Ingredients: 1 banana, 1 cup almond milk, or any milk, 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon, 1 tablespoon nut butter, optional. Ice cubes, optional. 4. Cinnamon roasted sweet potatoes. Ingredients: 2 medium sweet potatoes, cubed, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 teaspoon cinnamon. 5. Cinnamon quinoa salad. Ingredients: 1 cup cooked quinoa, 1/2 cup diced apples, 1/4 cup walnuts, chopped 1 tablespoon raisins or dried cranberries, 1 teaspoon cinnamon juice of 1 lemon, 1 tablespoon honey, optional. 6. Cinnamon and ginger tea. Ingredients: 1 cup water, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, 1 teaspoon grated fresh ginger, or 1/2 teaspoon ginger powder, honey, optional. 7. Cinnamon spiced trail mix. Ingredients: 1 cup mixed nuts, almonds, walnuts, cashews, 1/2 cup dried fruit, raisins, cranberries, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, 1 tablespoon honey, optional. 8. Cinnamon spiced carrot salad. Ingredients: 2 cups grated carrots, 1/4 cup raisins, 1/4 cup chopped walnuts, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, salt and pepper to taste. 9. Cinnamon and turmeric golden milk. Ingredients: 1 cup almond milk, or any milk of choice, 1/2 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon, 1 teaspoon honey or maple syrup, optional. Pinch of black pepper, to enhance turmeric absorption. 10. Cinnamon spiced popcorn. Ingredients: 1/2 cup popcorn kernels, 2 tablespoons coconut oil or olive oil, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, salt to taste. This video is intended to provide health information. If you have a medical condition, please seek professional advice. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and share. Your support is my biggest motivation.